everybody, this is Jamie. We are gonna do the unboxing of the Amcrest AM430 microphone. It's a Cardioid microphone. It looks like really nice since the box. It's really heavy. I have other microphones, but these feel like heavy. Here it says that we are gonna find like the microphone, windscreen, pivot, the stand, desk stand, and USB cable. It also said that it's a Cardioid polar pattern. This is really nice if you want to play, if you are doing podcasts, if you are doing some videos. This is the pattern that you want. Also, it said that it has like a metal stand. You can tell since the box because it's really heavy, and it says that it has like high quality recording. So we are gonna test that in other video, but let's make the unboxing. Give me 1 second. Okay, so let's start the unboxing of this product. Give me just 1 second. Okay, first of all, here the user manual. Oh, look, you can find here the microphone. It's heavy, it's really nice. Look, it has like a USB port in there. It looks really good, has good weight, so really nice. Inside it has like other box, so let's see what we have here in this box. Okay, we have, wow, all things like feel really heavy, like metal termination. We have the USB cable in here. We have the microphone. We have like this is the mic stand. We have the pivot. Let me see. Okay, here the wind screen. So the box has all that is said, and it looks like really impressive. Like it feels like heavy, like high quality, like metal termination. So I just want to try this product. I really want to try this product. So the next video we are gonna test it.